Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Monday.com for construction management. So let's get started. Over here, log into your Monday.com account. After that, wait to be redirected to your homepage. Then look at the boards on your dashboard. Over here, click on Add and choose New Board. After that, select Start with a Template. Then scroll through the templates and search for Construction Management. Over here, choose the Construction Management template. After that, click on Use Template. Then wait for Monday.com to load the full template for you. Over here, delete the disclaimer section if you don't need it. After that, review the Construction Management board. Then check the project overview, the address, the unit details, and the project manager section. Over here, assign a project manager if needed. After that, check the overall progress column. Then review the status column to see if a task is started, on hold, or not started. Over here, check the permit section for each unit. After that, go through each construction phase like foundation, drywall, framing, electric, and roofing. Then check the start dates and timeline. Over here, scroll to the done units to see which tasks are 100% complete. After that, review the timeline view to see the entire project schedule. Then check the map view to see where your construction projects are located. Over here, check the workload view to see how much work is assigned across the team. After that, review the project details board for deeper insights. Then open the subcontractors board to see contact information and logs. Over here, confirm that subcontractor details are linked to the main project board. After that, continue navigating the board to manage scheduling, permits, and construction progress easily. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.